Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. I'm here with my son Hamza. Say hi. Hi. And together we'll be unboxing this surprise package sent by Jakks Pacific. Thank you, Jack. And together we'll be looking at what's inside here. Now this is regarding their Sonic series. Now Hamza loves Sonic, right Hamza? Is that your favorite character? Do you like Sonic or do you like Knuckles? I like Knuckles. So together we'll be unboxing this thing and see exactly what's inside of it. Now they have a lot of cool different products, so if you guys want to check them out, check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa! Sonic! Alright, so we have ourselves Sonic articulated. So this particular Sonic character is with the Snow Rider, essentially the snowboard. There's a part in the scene of the movie where they're actually like chasing each other on the snowboard, and definitely a highly detailed character. So this thing looks really cool. Now it's got 13 points of articulation. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Hamza loves it. And then we also have Tails! Alright, so this is also an articulated character with a blaster. So both Sonic and Tails, they can go ahead and move about. Definitely looks really cool. So 14 points of articulation on that one. Alright, and then moving on, we have Robotnik, aka Dr. Eggman, the bad guy of the movie, of course. Now he also comes with his own little coffee. That's so cool. And it comes with a drone.
Thank you.
Alright, and then what do we got here?
The big Sonic.
Big Sonic. This here's a 13-inch plush of Sonic the Hedgehog. It's nice and soft. Are you gonna sleep with it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, and then they gave us one last thing. Do you know what's in here? What's in here?
How I know?
You don't know?
Cool.
So this here is Giant Eggman Robot Playset. So this here is actually Dr. Robotnik, a little bit of a spoiler, but it is including an exclusive figurine in here, which the Eggman you can go ahead and fight against. On the back it kind of shows what's happening. So you got crushing arms, and you want to defeat Robotnik. Alright, let's open these things up. You ready?
I got it.
You got it? That's so cool. It actually like moves. No, you gotta use Sonic. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put Sonic here like this, and then from there you're supposed to do that. Yeah. All right, ready? Let's fight. Bah! Boom! Yeah! Okay, so the way this works is one person will control Robotnik like how I am, and then the other one's gonna control Sonic, which is on a catapult. So what he does is he'll actually like kind of throw it as he kind of loads it there. You can see him doing it. Do it. Oh, and then he's supposed to tip over if he gets hit. Bah! 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 Like that. Bomb! All right, so that is how that works. So pretty cool stuff, right? Oh, you did it! High five! Yeah! There we go. We got Sonic and Tails. Okay, I'm gonna drink my coffee here. Let me just go and see if these guys pose. There we go. It's one pose. We got Tails, and then we got Sonic. Take that, Robotnik! So really cool stuff, really articulatable, that is a fact, and they're actually a pretty cool looking character. All right, you ready for the last one?
Yeah.
Your new best friend. All right, well there you guys have it. Overall, a lot of fun. I think Hamza really likes it a lot. Do you like it, Hamza?
Yeah, thank you.
And I think they're actually really cool products, you know. The play set is actually a lot of fun to do. It's kind of cool that it's actually 2 players. And then, of course, our characters here, which are really articulable, they are quite fragile, so just be careful with it. But other than that, very cool stuff. And with that said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.